Good morning.
Dear husband, why so sorrow and strenuous good morning?
I am too much stressed out. It seems monotonous work, no added value to my career. Seems like just working for salary and effort that has been put for my academics, trainings and certifications carries no value. I feel like breaking bindings. I am looking for a new job, but challenge is I cannot expect job satisfaction over there as well. I may get hike in salary, but again it's not perfect decision for stability or security.
I have a suggestion. Why don't you try Innovaner's upcoming session on finding pleasure in your workplace, based on traits of leadership and design thinking process.
Who is Innovaner?
They are practitioners of creative thinking process. He is author of the book on innovation, Think Like an Innovaner. For more you can visit https://jkitcdo.com.
Can I trust Innovaner?
Innovaners, they never commit anything false, neither promise anything miracle of your achievement. They only request for your valuable 2 hours for his session. Innovaner says, miracle of your achievement will happen based on your effort. Innovaner's mission is to transform individuals' lives who are willing to thrive by bringing innovation. Practitioner of creative thinking process since decades. He was a coach at organization level, and in recent time he opened his new organization JKITCDO. I have gone through his site and seems he is trying to bring innovation to understand humankind in better way. Even if you don't have trust, you take it as risk. This risk is smaller in compared to your challenge. Hopefully, the risk taken will turn helpful, acknowledging the challenge.